I've been testing this fragrance for days. Days and days and days. But I gotta tell you that I like it right away. I like it right away. The name is Hermann cotes from Etat Libre de Orange. Etat Libre de Orange. You can see here, I use half of it. I like it right away. Even though I never had a fragrance like this before, or something similar like this. I have different type of fragrances, but nothing like this. But it's not familiar because I do love and enjoy to be outside in nature and to walk, exercise, and all that. And this definitely smells like being in nature, in a rainy nature. Here you can see. Yeah, it smells like nature, definitely. Here, I like it right away before I read the fragrance notes. And it was definitely yes. And this is, by the way, unisex. This is definitely unisex. Okay. But let me show you this. Isn't this beautiful? It kind of looks like Bob Ross painting. Do you think so? If you don't know who's Bob Ross, I highly recommend it. He's, I mean, a wonderful, 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 wonderful painter, honestly. Like, I gotta tell you something. He inspired me to love art, honestly. I changed the subject, but what can we do? Sometimes I'm gonna change the subject. Have a blessed day, everybody. Okay.